Sum of squares of two consecutive even numbers is 580. Find the numbers by writing the suitable quadratic equation. Here, this word plays an important role. Two consecutive even numbers. Two consecutive even numbers means what? The even numbers which comes one after other are known as consecutive even numbers. And here there is an important property which is related to consecutive even numbers. There is a constant difference between the two consecutive even numbers, that is as 2. If I take an example of a even number as a 4, its next consecutive even number will be obtained and adding 2 to it, that is a 6. That means the difference between the two consecutive even numbers is always 2. By using this property, if I suppose the first even number as a x, its next even number would be as a x plus 2. So by this we can suppose that let x and x plus 2 are required numbers, because as they mentioned that they are consecutive numbers, I took them as a x and x plus 2. And what else they have given? We have given that sum of the squares of these two consecutive even numbers is 580. That means, and adding the squares of these two even numbers, you will get as 580. That means x square plus this is in the form of a plus b whole square, and I'm elaborating it, x square plus 4x plus 4, that gives you 580. Now this can be written as x square, 2x square, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 gives you 580. And taking 2 as a common in the LHS part, x square plus 2x plus 2 gives you 580. Now on transposing this multiplier to other hand of equation, it becomes a divisor. So x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 580 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18 and 0. That means x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 290. And transposing this plus 290 to other hand, it becomes a negative. X square plus 2x plus 2 minus 290, that gives you 0. This can be written as x square plus 2x minus 288 is equals to 0. And this is an quadratic equation, and factorizing it, you will get a value of x. So how to factorize this? This can be factorized as an x square plus 18x minus 16x minus 288 is equals to 0. From the first two terms, if I take x as a common, x plus 18, and from the second two terms, if I take minus 16 as a common, x plus 18. Again on taking x plus 18 as a common, this can be written as x plus 18 of x minus 16 is equal to 0. As we know, as a 0 product rule, by using 0 product rule, if the product of any two numbers is 0, definitely any one of them is equal to 0. So by that we can say either x plus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0. From this, x is equals to minus 18 or x is equals to 16. As I mentioned that even numbers won't be in the negative. That is, even numbers depends upon only natural numbers. From the set of natural number will take. So x value cannot be as a minus 18. So x value is 16. So therefore, whatever required even numbers, required number x is equals to 16, x plus 2 is equals to 18. These two are our required even numbers.